We'll guide you through how to convert Google Drive files to PDF quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the file you want to convert to a PDF. It can be a Google Doc, sheet, or slide. Once you've found the file, double-click to open it. In the document, go to the top left corner, click on File in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over Download and you'll see several file format options. Click on PDF document, which should be labeled as PDF. Your file will then start downloading automatically, converting it into a PDF format. You can find it in your default Downloads folder unless you've set a specific location for downloads. If you're working in Google Sheets or Slides, the steps are almost identical. Just open the file, click File, go to Download, and select PDF document. This process keeps all your formatting intact, making it a seamless transition from the Google format to PDF. This method is great for sharing documents while preserving their layout and content. It's especially useful for formal documents or presentations. Remember to check your downloaded PDF to ensure everything looks just right. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.